cool. Want to ride?
Yeah, I'm ready to go. I'll just go. You guys go, I'll go last. Alright.
Hope the battery holds out in this thing.
Good time. You alright?
Yeah, just out of shape. Oh,
That's a little blister starting right here.
Oh, I can't move my hand.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be laps, yeah. Numb and stingy.
Yeah, just when he's poking with needles.
Yeah, it's good feeling though. Man, I'm impressed though. I told him, these guys, man, you're fucking. I guess it's the confidence with the tires. You're like really.
If I air them down, I'll be even faster.
You're kind of showing like.
I love it. I never really got the feel for this bike. Those fucking tires are gone. Those trail wings?
Yeah, I think you were just afraid of them. Like, yeah.
Well, you get the death wobble.
Yeah.
You get in the fucking sand and anything loose and it's and then they don't steer, they plow.
You're like, it's always gonna run.
The front tire didn't grip, like if it was so flat, you used to steer and gas it and it would go forward.
Oh, that's snowplow?
Scared the hell out of me. So this thing's like, feels like my YZ again. I don't even think I'm gonna put on a lowering link. When the tires air down, it feels great.
Yeah.
My favorite two-stroke.
You gonna really look at it tomorrow?
Really? You got cash, so that's good.
Oh, took it out today.
Yeah?
So the fucking
Well, that bike's paid out for now, right? Yeah. It's been paid for.
When I was out in PA, I looked at a piece of property today.
Yeah?
7 acres, wooded, 150 grand.
Okay.
But you need to put up a house on it. But house is usually like $100 a square foot.
Okay.
So if you put up a 1,000 square foot house, it's $1,000, right? So now you're 250. You got a house on 7 acres. Fucking A.
100 grand, yeah. So 100 plus.
250, yeah, because 100 plus 150.
Yeah.
For like 250, brand new house, 7 acres. I'm like, that shit ain't really bad if you think about it. And you could probably get it done for less than $100 a square foot.
Are there any like hardwood trees on it? Because you get money for that too.
Well, yeah, it's all wooded. It looks just like this. But I was like, it's in the middle of fucking nowhere, Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Because my house is 160. I got fucking 60, 70 into that thing already.
Really?
So I'm like, well, fuck, I can sell this thing, right? And move there. I'm like, I'll probably make out good on the deal. The property tax is probably less.
Whereabouts? Yeah.
Leonardsville, by Hamburg, east of Hamburg.
Yeah, I tried that.
15 minutes away from where I work in Bronxville.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I had a lady meet me out there today.
Oh, you want to real? Yeah. Are you serious, huh?
Well,
the money, dude.
Well, we were thinking about my parents, right? Because they want to get out of Jersey. My dad wants to retire.
Yeah.
I said, 7 acres, fuck, you put up 2 houses on that thing, you know?
Right,
So I got it. Let's land with me. I'll build my house. You guys are hubbing. There's no zoning out there at all.
You got a compound.
And then I don't know my Blackberry, because in the Blackberry, it backs up to state game land.
Does it?
So like, if you look on a Google Earth behind it, there's nothing.
Really?
Just fucking mountains and woods.
Maybe they can help you out too.
I'm